guys, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. In this video, we're going to be checking out Layer Network. And this is a blockchain. So I was like, oh, a blockchain. I'm interested in checking it out. You know, I'm very bullish on blockchains, guys, because they have smart contracts, which is what crypto was founded on. Smart contracts, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Where projects have their own ecosystem and they could build out apps on the ecosystem. They have their layer scan. Let me take a look at the Explorer. Okay, wow, so they have a fully functional Explorer that is actually built out. 2.5 million layers staked, 28 wallet addresses. Nice stuff. Okay, very interesting. I like what I see already. Once they have an actual built out scan of their protocol, they actually have a built out scan of their protocol. The market cap, super low market cap, guys. Extremely low market cap. 100x here, I wouldn't rule it out at all, guys. I'm telling you, I would not rule out 100x on this one at all. Let's take a look. Back to the website. Empower your blockchain. Layer Network. Layer Network is an empowering blockchain platform system of dedicated proof-of-stake consensus that can support short block time and lower fees, which in itself is a sidechain running on the BSC network. The platform provides cross-compatibility with other ecosystems. Let's go down. Let's see. Audited by Cognitos, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. You could buy Layer on PancakeSwap or Uniswap. It's on Uniswap as well. Hold on a second, y'all. Let me take a look. I didn't even know it was on ETH. Okay, I don't see the contract here, but we're gonna get into it further though, you know. It does say Uniswap here. Chain compatibility, a DeFi place that enables traders to achieve financial freedom. The name Layer was chosen because it embodies the key principles, power, potential, and ability. These principles underlie our core vision for the platform, a place that enables our users to achieve financial freedom by exploring the full potential of decentralized finance. Compatibility, scalability, and security. Follow the evolution step by step. Look at that. Website release. Layer Dex release. Safer report. 1,000 holders. They already listed on CMC and CoinGecko. Oh, so they plan to launch on Ethereum. They haven't done it as yet. Whenever they get on Ethereum and then the Ethereum whales get their hands on this, that's gonna be super bullish. Mainnet development, block explorer for mainnet, bridge infrastructure development, DEX token on mainnet, staking and farming on mainnet, CEX listings. We are here to make the DeFi ecosystem better. Layer Network is a decentralized, empowered blockchain that users can create liquidity pools. I like the website as well, by the way, just gotta say that. And interact with smart contracts while earning rewards after researching the demands and desires of our users. We have enhanced the platform with incentivized utility functionality through several features that will be released soon, and they have their white paper right here, you know. Nice stuff, man. They have, look, this wasn't put together like Layer Swap, Safer Report. They have their swap as well. Oh my gosh, they have this is a fully functional blockchain. This is bullish. This is absolutely bullish, guys. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, but even $50 to $100 in this project could go very far, man. You never know. An AI powered Layer Seifu code smart contract generator. Find errors and vulnerabilities and provides detail. This is for the developers, right? So they could build out everything on Layer. Oh man, that is crazy. And you could just generate your blockchain, right? Your dApps right here, your contracts. Nice stuff, man. Token creation. Okay, with that. Oh, it has token. Oh my gosh, and they're moving to ETH too. That's crazy, man. That is absolutely crazy. And they're gonna be on Ethereum too. Oh, that's bullish. Staking. What's the supply like? It's only 1 billion supply. Yeah, 1 billion supply. 1 billion supply, man. That's crazy. $100 gets you. $100 gets you 100K, 700K of these. 700K of these, right? Crazy. And $1,000 gets you 1 million. 7 million, my bad. Yeah, 7 million with $1,000 invested. Crazy. Could be a potential 100x right here, guys. And you could stake. I gotta take a look to see if everything, if the Twitter is still active, the Telegram's still active. But yeah, right here for the developers. All the information for the developers, man. Fully working blockchain. They do have taxes though, so there's, well, DexTool shows me there's, oh yeah, 10% on the buy and sell for the taxes. 6.7K in volume. This shows me 20K market cap, guys. You know, high risk, high reward play, man. High risk, high reward play. High risk, high reward play. But it is a blockchain, man. So even with, you know, 10% tax on the buy and sell, they have so much built out. The DEX, the Explorer, you know, the way to launch contracts, and they're bridging to ETH as well. That's a lot, man. You never know if something like this could explode, man. They just made layer network validators. For 50 to 100, you need to hold at least 2% of layer to become a validator. They have validators built. The utility is there. The utility is there. Look at this. The utility is there. They have a, like, this is not a forked Explorer. This is not Block Scout, okay? You know how many my bad, guys. You guys will see my desktop. You guys will see my desktop. Hold on. Block Scout. Let me show you guys. Block Scout right here. A lot of people use Block Scout to have their Explorer. They use Block Scout as their Explorer, right? That's what they use. It's basically like a forked Explorer, but with layer network and what we just saw and what I've been going through, this is a fully functional Explorer that the team of the project built themselves, which is super bullish, right? Telegram group chat will open after mainnet is live. Hey, this is, like I said, guys, high risk, high reward, but the utility is there, man. As long as the team keeps building and the community stays active, could have a 100x right here, man. I'm telling you guys, this could be a potential 100x. It's only at 20K market cap. You know how much it takes for a 20K market cap project to go 100x? It just got to go to 2 million market cap. 2 million market cap, that's it. 2 million market cap. Imagine it goes to 20 mil market cap. That's 1,000x. $100 times 1,000, 100K from $100 invested. 20K market cap times 1,000x, guys. My apologies. My apologies, guys. That was a vehicle passing by. They need to get that fixed the way it sounds. But yeah, 1,000x on 20K market cap is 20 mil market cap, guys. That's insane to think about. You know how many projects could get to 20 mil market cap so easily? Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm gonna take a risk and toss some money at this one, man. I'm gonna take the chance and toss some money at this. Whatever happens, happens, man. I'm not gonna invest more than I'm willing to lose. If I lose the 100, oh well. We're gonna keep pushing though. But guess what? The risk to reward ratio with a fully working blockchain with the RPC, you know, this is EVM compatible. This is the mainnet right here, with the testnet and the and information for the developers. Even if it's a ghost chain, the utility is there. And in my opinion, blockchains always perform the best in the space. We saw with Matic, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance, not BNB, Casper. Blockchains always perform the best, man. So yeah, it's super bullish, guys. I'm gonna leave it there. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Layer Network and myself will be in the description, guys. Support the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.